Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be decorating my September dashboard layout, which is my social media. It is for September 5th through the 11th, and yes, this is an old planner, so we're going to be redating it as well. As always, I'm going to go ahead and cover up the left side of the planner, and I'm gonna go ahead and glue this down and trim around as always. Okay, so that looks good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the pages and let's get decorating. If this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you are joining me again and spending more time with me, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Here we go. So I pulled a whole bunch of different sticker books. I have the layered florals, the Agenda 52 calendar, and a whole bunch of other stickers. I did want to use the layered florals ones as it has this very kind of darkish tone flowers, and to me that just means end of summer. So I'm gonna go ahead and use those. Let me just find them. Here they are. So that's what we're going to be using, as well as some stickers from the Seasons of Color. I think those are great as well. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to use some of these layered boxes because, take a look, even though it is a dashboard layout, these do fit quite nicely if you place them like so. They overlap just a little, but that doesn't bug me at all because I am planning to redate this, as you remember. So I'm going to be putting some numbers on top of that box anyway. Let's see. And then I'm going to layer this one just slightly. And I don't know if I want to use that bright green one. I don't know if I want to necessarily add that color into the spread. More kindness. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and place this huge sticker like so. I think that looks so beautiful. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut this and add this along the edge because, again, so pretty. All of these flowers are just so pretty, and I do have to say that when I first saw this book I was like, they're okay, but the more and more I use them, I think the more beautiful they are. I love the simplicity of them and kind of how they look. So I'm going to be adding quite a few elements to the spread, so bear with me. I'm going to cover this really fast and cut to the end just a tiny bit so I can go ahead and write in what I need to write in and cut the slight edges. That's it. I think that looks darling. And now let's keep adding more and more. Okay, so I want to add these small embellishments to the spread. I think that's gonna look cute, and I can kind of cover up the areas that are not being used. Again, this is very, very functional for me, and I intend to keep it that way. But at the same time, I love decorating so much, so I can't help myself. So I'm joining the two different things into one. Okay, let's see. I need just a couple more little things to finish this off and we will be done. Oh, I forgot that this book has the journaling doodles. This is more of like a color story than anything, because it does give you like a couple sections of different florals and so on. I really like that about this book a lot. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go through the seasons of color and see if I can pull a couple of these darker flowers into the spread and go from there as well. I think they'll look good. Okay, let's put this large dark one in here to pull in that, and then I'm gonna do this linear art, linear art like that. I think that looks great as well. Unfortunately, because it is a dashboard layout, the bigger pieces might necessarily work, so there we go. The only other thing I have to do is redate, and then I'm gonna cover up the year and probably redate off of camera really quickly. But thank you so much for joining me. Let me know what you think about this spread, and have a great week ahead. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon for another Plan With Me video. Have a good one. Bye!